Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday, September the 22nd, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And this one you are interested, the binary. Yes, binary puzzle number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. 7144. Yeah. 7144. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Not a lot. It's a, let me count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And a double one here. Here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.